Literally, I was right at the same spot last night 12 hours ago. And guess what? We're going again to the airport. Why? Because this rascal surprised me and we're going to Barcelona right now.
I can't.
We are. Surprise, surprise. Barcelona, here we go. Let's go. And this is why you come early to the airport, 5 hours before the flight departures, to go shopping in a duty-free section. Rain, rain, rain!
Smart luggage must also remain in.
Si estás guapísima con las arrancadas, mira qué guapa estás.
Oh, sí.
Estic a punt de guillar.
No, home, no.
¡Llamo!
Welcome to sunny Barcelona. God damn it! Damn rain. Damn rain. The whole plan was to skate all weekend long and train for the Spanish Open Championships that is about to happen in 2 weeks. But yeah, it's raining. So hopefully tomorrow we are more lucky. Damn it! Damn rain. Dang. So we're gonna show you what can you do in Barcelona on a rainy day.
We gotta eat. Four people.
What to do? You are not a real Dane, you're walking with an umbrella. It's raining, still raining. We have some breakfast and we are walking through the neighborhood of Gracia. Really cool, cozy, nice little neighborhood in town. And we're gonna head down to downtown and do some shopping. What to do, huh? Great. This Plaza del Sol is a really typical, lovely place in the summertime when it's not rain. It's full of terraces. And normally everybody's sitting outside having drinks and tapas and everything. But today is absolutely nobody. Just in this square, many years ago, we were coming here on Friday nights with the gang when I was like a teenager. And you could barely walk. It was so packed, it was crazy. But now it's during the daytime, there's nobody, plus it's raining. But it's still, I just wanted to show you that it's a beautiful place. We are in Paseo de Gracia with Diagonal. This could probably be the main middle point of Barcelona. Now we're gonna walk down Paseo de Gracia with this beautiful rain and do some shopping with this beautiful girl right there. That she's using an umbrella all day long. Who would have thought you would go on an umbrella? You are becoming too Barcelonian. All the expensive shops in Paseo de Gracia. So if you got no money, honey, don't come here shopping. We got none, but we're still walking. Oh, Maximo Dutti, first stop. Oh no. Oh no, first stop.
Baby.
Yeah? What?
Let's go shop.
3 hours later.
Here we have the Casa Patio. We're not gonna go in because we are not regular tourists.
I've been myself inside, did you?
No. But I went to Massimo Dutti. So here's that Pedrera over there.
How's it called?
Pedrera. Joder.
La
Pedrera.
There we go.
Right.
That was good. It's so worth it to go inside, but we are not going to go inside because we are going to go to another shop. Plus, I've been there 1,000 million times.
And I haven't, but I would like to.
Someday, when you're not with me, you can go.
If
always
you like
go.
architecture, I think this is the place to go.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful. try to avoid things like in the main street because you're gonna pay like 1,000 times more. So just go some of the streets inside, and then you go to these little supermarkets where you can buy absolutely everything. They're a little bit also pricey, but still it's gonna be cheaper than like the first row of Paseo de Gracia. And don't forget, always be
Hydrated.
in another shop, Mango. Umbrelling Town.
Make your own.
Yeah. Next shop. That's not for us. I'm ready to go clubbing. Pants high, shirt inside. We said, let's go. Plaza Catalunya. This is Macba, one of the most well-known, famous, you name it. This is the spot. This is the Mecca of Europe, the Mecca of the world of skateboarding. It's here, and it's in construction, and it's not a good sign. So a lot of skateboarders are really pissed. So hopefully they will keep it alive, so people can still come here and skate this beautiful spot downtown Barcelona. Macba, much love. 2003 was Blood on Concrete, I believe, or 2004, and this was one of the stops, was one of the final stops with a gap competition that a lot of things went down. Crazy stuff. So hopefully all the Spanish guys that are here or some other international riders, they can come and film some tricks here for the real streetboard World Series. Raval. Still raining. Now we're gonna go and eat the best, probably the best kebab I ever tried it in my life. The street is called Joaquim Costa. I don't know how the place is called, but it's...
And the kebabs are juicy.
The kebabs are juicy. Okay, next stop, churros. Ramblas.
The place to be if you want to be spending a lot of money on nothing. The scammer's paradise.
I love this place. Ramblas.
Scammer.
I'm a scammer. Ramblas for life.
Oh my god.
Oi. Oi.
Chup 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 chup.
Where are we?
La Catedral, La Barcelona.
The rain keeps on coming. Still in La Ramblas, walking downtown. Next pharmacy, let's go.
Smells so good.
I got the goods, I got the goods.
Here we are in my Fisio Barcelona with the best player of the game. It's here.
So, we hope he can fix my neck. Then I tell you if he's the best or not.
Perfect, let's see.
¿Qué?
Pero si te hago confianza que hay algunas cosas, además pots
Here we go again, another one.
Another one. Put this arm here.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Here.
For those who are watching this, Bernat's first question he told me is like, hey, did you fail? And actually I didn't fail. This happened while I was sleeping. So yeah, it's really strange. It's been like over 2 weeks. I've been able to,
Oh, yes.
ooh, what a massage. Ooh, I like it.
¿Vas bé?
Yeah. Ah,
No punxa ni dolor, eh?
No.
Només escopet.
que fino, no?
Ja, ja, molt amunt. Mira, posa un punt més.
Oh.
Vas bé?
Yes, sir. Bernat, if I win the Spanish championship, I give you some cash. If I don't win, you pay me.
That's it.
Ya, sí, porque si no, luego siempre cuesta.
Vaya molt bé, tio. Vaya molt bé. Your physio, don't skip that.
And the pain is real. I came with a little bit of pain on my neck, and now my neck is burning.
Yes.
More food.
No, it looks.
Thumbs up.
It looks dirty. Like,
Thumbs up. It's a thumbs up.
thumbs up. Oh, I thought it was like a penis.
Walking all day, Barcelona style. 9 p.m. and still raining. Oh my God. Spicy food. Do you like spicy food? The last Spanish champion, Bernat Pomerol, just arrived to the skate park as surprise for training. He's smelling the money. He's smelling the trophy. He's smelling the fame. He's smelling everything.
Only counts the moment present. Only counts that. Just.
He's the one with the.
We're gonna do one like juntos, ¿vale? You're also gonna wear the Ola socks, so we're wearing the same socks.
So here I am. I'm in Dosrius. In 2 weeks' time, it's gonna be the Spanish Open. So we're gonna try and figure out what line I'm supposed to do here together with Bernat. I already saw his line. Oh my God, he's qualified for the final. And if he lands the whole line, he will probably win. But anyway, my line has to be completely different. This park is a lot of street, but you also have some transitions in this part. So you have to like, I think, do a little bit of a mix. You're gonna do like some tricks there, some trick there. But the most important part is that you have to land all your line. But for the final, it's a different format this time. For the format, it's gonna be 2 runs, best one counts, and then you have 3 tricks and the best one counts. So it's 50-50 percentage, and that's the total of your score. So you have 3 attempts to make your biggest trick, and the best one of those 3 will count, and the best round out of 2. So wish me luck. I'm gonna warm up, train a little, and we're gonna try to get a line for the contest and some bangers. But the bangers, I'm gonna save them, I think. I don't want Bernat to see my bangers. The main line in this park is this one right here with the 2 rails, but the whole skate park has so many different lines that you can combine that it's hard to put one together. And Bernat is going already spotting one of my damn tricks. Watch it out. So now I don't have a trick anymore. Thanks, Bernat. You rock. Yeah. Let's go. Oh! He done it. Thanks. Now I have one less trick. One less banger to me. Thanks, Bernat. You just crashed.
Yeah.
Sorry, man. Let's see it again.
Yeah, that's right.
So this video is 2 weeks before the contest, but I'm only allowed to post it on Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So people don't have a chances to come and practice that.
Este es el trato.
Deal.
Yeah.
first try. Bernat, how you feel for the Spanish Open? First stop at the SWS, how you feel?
I feel, yeah, it was a great feeling today. It was a great skating day. So yeah, let's see. Because now actually, depends of the day in this moment, specific moment, how is your mindset in the moment that you have to do the tricks. But yeah, now I feel good. So let's see next day.
Good luck at the Spanish Open, man.
Yeah, same too.